How to activate Bank of America credit card. You can activate your Bank of America credit card using three easy methods. So, first of all you have to do is open your preferred web browser. Then, there, all you have to do is tap on the search address bar and search for the Bank America. Or you can simply search for Activate Bank of America credit card for easier access. Then tap on the first option available there and make sure that it is from the official website of the Bank of America. Tap on it and navigate to the official site. If you have an account, then simply tap on the sign in and log into your account. But if you do not have an account, then you can simply tap on the enroll option available there and tap on the enrolled. And all you have to do is provide the card information here and tap on the activate or sign in option available there. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.